Going on YouTube today, we got a whole nother bang of a video. We're doing a complete makeover of my brother's Chrysler 300 that we've been doing some work on little by little, and we're doing a very big part of the process. We're going to be changing that thing from white to a whole different color using rattle cans only, hoping to get a professional finish. And I think with my experience and my knowledge that I have in coatings, I think we're going to come out with a really good result. So right now, I'm about to pull the Hellcat out. He's over there chilling right now, and we're about to get started on this. And we are officially in the war room. The car is still a little wet right now, but so we're gonna start off by sanding this thing down, roughening up the surface. Remind you, this is an overcoat job. But once we get everything masked off and get the plastic on everything that we're trying to cover up fully, that's when the fun actually begins. Nah, eat that. Nah, I told you, once we get that bitch hooked up, that's gonna be the hell Yoda. So I got this thing all wiped down, sanded down, and now the next step is, as you can see, masking everything off, which is the most time-consuming part of this whole process. For a minute. Bro, she is funny, bro. She is so funny. I don't know, he's supposed to move soon, but he's bought a house around point. So that's, good for him. And that's alright, I help him move. Yeah. Alright, we finally got the 300 masked off. Finally. After hours of masking this shit off. It's lower. He gonna have to drive it a little bit to get the springs to settle. Thanks to Black Jesse and thick ass Ruben.
Fuck that fat motherfucker.
So we got the wheels masked off, windows, everything is sanded down.
Can't look all rough. How it should.
We good. So we about to start with the primer. Get these coats of primer on here. Here we go.
want to do the trim black, but it is gonna make me want to do it.
What trim are you using?
All
the chrome?
It's chrome on it right now.
Hey, Rob.
So Everything that's
So we're at the part where we got all the primer on the car. I'm walking around to show y'all. We used what, five and a half cans of primer on the car, and it is fully covered head to toe and primer. And this primer lays down really good. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Boom. And it's really gonna hook that mid coat on there, make that red pop like crazy.
the camera messing up.
The camera messing up. Damn. But man, it's really about to pop. So now we about to take these, and these are really good because they got different settings on the back. I'm probably gonna put it on vertical fan and see how that works, and then start laying it down. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm low key high as hell in here. We got the first coat of cherry red on here, and as you can see, it's coming out really good. Candy paint, real candy paint, real candy paint. So it's not picking it up on camera, but there are some low spots, and that's why I'm going over it again with this. And man, I'm telling you, once you take the plastic off the wheels, that's when it's really gonna pop. When we take all this wrapping and masking off, like it's really gonna pop. But honestly, I think for a rattle can paint job, it's looking magnificent, and I can't wait to see the final results. All right, second coat is on the 300. I just got to do the roof. Actually, I got to do the roof right now. But then we up in here getting high as hell. I ain't gonna lie to you. Look how that's coming out. Shit, look how that paint hitting. I ain't gonna lie. I've been sipping on the say cheese and show my fronts is more carrots than Bugs Bunny's lunch.
Hey, it's crazy because that's the song I'm finna use.
That's sitting sideways, bro. That's one of my favorite songs. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Sitting sideways is one of my favorite. That's probably my favorite rap song, bro. I can listen to that song back to back, bro. I can listen to that song back to back. We got all the red on there. Next step is the 2K clear coat. That's what we're gonna do, but I kind of want to see how it looks lowered with the plastic off of the damn wheels. So let's see how it looks. Sheesh. I'm a bad motherfucker.
Yeah, damn.
God damn. No, I ain't gonna lie, bro. You gotta stand from back here to look at this bitch. Oh my god. Yes, that's you. That's your car, bro.
Yes.
That's your car, bro.
Nigga, what? What? What?
That's your car, bro.
Yeah, it looks amazing out on the side. So, yeah, collection all the way through. I will leave a link in the description for this 2K clear that I used. It took 8 cans, so I bought the 6-pack and then the 2-pack. It's cheaper that way, and it did multiple coats all the way through.
It look crazy. Oh yeah, that's it.
Next morning, coming out to check the paint, see how it's doing right now. It came out really good for it to be a rattle can paint job. We still got some things to do after it's fully cured. Once it's fully cured, actually he's gonna drive it around. Once it's fully cured, he's gonna bring it back. We're probably gonna wet sand it and do the cutting compound, but I'm gonna show y'all exactly what it looks like, and I'm gonna point out a few key things as we walking throughout the car. So let me show you. This is what it looks like right now. Sheesh. All right, so few things. As you can see, there's some overspray and what's called orange peel, and like even right here, it's very glossy. Some spots go to like not as glossy, but I think we just need more cans of clear coat, right? So when we wet sand it, we'll come back and hit it some more with the clear. But let me show y'all the difference between the front two fenders. And I study coatings, and it's part of my job. But for the life of me, I can't understand why this one doesn't look as good as this one. Like, look at this one. This one, like, it came out of the factory just like this. Like, just like this. Really good. And I don't know if maybe it was because of the distances in which I was spraying it, but it looks really good. Really good. The whole car overall looks really good. But that right there, it stands out to me. But I mean, it looks really good. So now we actually about to start unmasking and seeing what it looks like unmasked. Yep. Open that gun up. So we finally got the 300 fully unmasked, and I'm gonna give y'all a quick walk around so y'all can see how everything look. This emblem, as you can see, there's some white right there. I'm gonna get a tiny paintbrush and go around all of that. The tail lights off, but we were just trying to get it done. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Right here, so if I pull that, you can see right there. So I'm gonna squish some paint in there. Same thing right here. And let me see them lights, my boy. Let me see them.
Yes, sir.
Oh my goodness.
That black looks so much better. That black looks so much better.
I ain't fuck with it like that.
Nah, I ain't fuck with that. I like this black clear shit though. Damn. At least we caught that on camera. Bruh.
That look real good.
Bruh. That shit look real good. Right there. Motherfucking yeah. Damn.
Oh my God. Hey, parked up and flicked out. God damn. Rob, you satisfied with the you said oh my God, my boy. Tendonism. Is it tender? So we got the 345 badge on there, the daytime running lights. Hey, man, if you don't think this is pressure, your ass a hater. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. God damn, this car looks good, man. This car looks so good. I'm in love with it. Well, that pretty much wraps it up. If you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe if you can, and stay tuned for some more car content that we got coming. The summer's just starting, so we got a lot of shit to do, and we want y'all to be a part of it. So till next time, we out of here.